Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Spotify premium account, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your Spotify premium account, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Spotify website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. Select account from the menu options. You will be redirected to your account overview page. Look for the Your Plan section on this page. Click on Change Plan to proceed. Scroll down to the bottom of the plan options. You will see a section labeled Spotify Free. Click on the Cancel Premium link. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Spotify may ask you why you are canceling. Choose an option that best fits your reason. Once you've provided your feedback, confirm your cancellation again. You will receive an email confirming your cancellation. Your premium account will remain active until the end of your billing period. After that, your account will revert to Spotify Free. Make sure to save any playlists or downloads before your cancellation takes effect. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Spotify premium account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.